How much should you actually spend on Spider-Man web shooters? Because people are thrilled with the cheap ones, but some end up disappointed by the pricier options. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. Marvel Integrated Spider-Man Costume. The Marvel Integrated Spider-Man Official Youth Deluxe Zentai costume caught my eye right away at $44.99. With its sleek design and fun appeal, it's perfect for kids who want to feel like the real Spider-Man. If you want your child to embody Spider-Man in style, this is worth a serious look. What makes this costume stand out is its integrated suit design, which means your kid can fully immerse themselves in the character. The long-sleeved, form-fitting material is made of two-way stretch spandex, making it comfortable for hours of play. The invisible zippers add to the sleek look without any distractions, and a detachable mask means they can switch up their look while still capturing that iconic Spider-Man vibe. With 4.5 stars and over 556 reviews, it's clearly a hit among parents and kids alike. Now, some people complained about the sizing being a bit off. Here's the thing, though. Kids grow fast, so if you're buying for a birthday or special occasion, just consider getting a size up for the best fit later on. This is perfect for you if your child loves superheroes and wants to dress up for Halloween or playtime. Skip this if you're looking for something more casual or less form-fitting. It's a solid investment for those fun, imaginative moments. Now, if the costume's price tag is too high for your taste, this next option offers a more budget-friendly way to play Spider-Man. Product number 2. Marvel Spider-Man Real Webs Blaster. Next up is the Marvel Spider-Man Real Webs Ultimate Web Blaster, retailing for $24.99. This caught my attention with its interactive play features. If you want your kids to have some real web blasting fun, this is definitely worth a look. What I love about this blaster is the innovative web fluid that transforms into a gel-like webbing. Kids can actually thwip, just like Spider-Man, and imagine trapping villains. The blaster even has a dual function. It blasts water too. It includes a refill pack for the web fluid and a water pouch, which means hours of fun. With a rating of 4.1 stars from about 8,500 reviews, it's proven popular among kids aged 5 and up. However, some parents mentioned that the gel could be a bit sticky and hard to clean up. But here's the thing. As long as you're prepared for a bit of mess, it's all part of the fun. Kids love the creativity this blaster encourages in their play. This is perfect for you if you want an engaging toy that promotes active play and creativity. Skip this if you're looking for something with less cleanup. It offers great value for its price and the imaginative play it inspires. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for younger kids. Product number 3. 2-sets Spiderweb shooters. Next up, we have the 2-set Spiderweb shooters for just $15.24. I think this is a fun option, especially for parties or group play. If you want a cost-effective way for several kids to enjoy web shooting, this is worth considering. This set includes 2 shooters and 10 soft darts, which means kids can have a blast together without breaking the bank. They're made from non-toxic materials, so safety is a priority. The ease of use is a big plus. Just insert a dart, pull back the rod, and launch. Rated at 4.2 stars with over 733 reviews. It's a hit for those looking for role-playing toys. But some parents did mention that the darts can sometimes jam. Now, here's the thing. With a little patience and some adult supervision, most kids will figure it out and keep the fun going. This is perfect for you if you're planning a birthday party or want a group activity. Skip it if you prefer a more individual play experience. Overall, it's a fantastic value for what you get. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more advanced, let's check out what the next product has to offer. Product number 4, Suzu Web Shooters. Coming in at $29.99, we have the Suzu Web Shooters, which are a bit next level. This caught my eye with its unique features, including the USB charging. If your kid is ready for a more interactive play experience, this might be the one. The Suzu Web Shooter can launch a rope up to 9 feet, which is super cool. It has a built-in rechargeable battery, so you won't be going through batteries like crazy. Plus, the head can grab small metal objects, making it a versatile toy for creative play. It has a 4.0 star rating from 591 reviews, and I can see why kids would love this. However, some users mentioned that it can be tricky to operate at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it offers a lot of fun and imaginative possibilities. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a more tech-savvy toy that can do more than just shoot. Skip this if you want something simple without the bells and whistles. It's well worth the price, considering the fun it can bring. Lastly, if you're after something that's easy and straightforward, this next product might be right up your alley. Product number 5, Zani Spiderweb Shooters. Finally, we have a Zani Spiderweb Shooters at just $9.99. This is a great option for those on a tight budget. If you want a simple yet fun way for your kids to pretend they're Spider-Man, this is definitely worth a look. This set comes with a glove, a shooter, and even suction cup darts, making it easy for kids to engage in imaginative play. The suction cup feature allows for some fun interaction, as they can stick to smooth surfaces. It has a solid 4.0 star rating from over 590 reviews, showing it has its fans. A few parents did mention that the quality felt a bit cheap. Now, I'll be real with you. While it may not last as long as pricier options, it still offers a lot of fun for the price. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable toy that sparks creativity. Skip this one if you're looking for something more durable or high-tech. Overall, it's a budget-friendly way to let kids have fun pretending to be superheroes. So there you have it, the top 5 Spider-Man web shooters. Whether you're looking for a costume, an interactive blaster, or budget-friendly toys, there's something for every young superhero out there. Each option has its own unique perks and a few downsides, but it all comes down to what fits your needs the best. Happy web slinging!